Well, estaba todo bem interessante, mas assim que ja, tur e produto não que vou pôr planta na Aruba, com esta dura e não tem hobby piscar mais rondi, dus tem água na de Aruba. E Ibiza da sianosco e tur con saludável en zo. Maar nee, is solar panels dan ja, non so echt sa hobby din dus na echt explica nos cultura zijn dat impossibel pa e corriente que zijn. Wel, het hobby bom so bijvoorbeeld si nan tarde of zo noting algo más, noting kinang. Dus is het hobby bom ku kinang na ruba na por hasi ko sa sino.
It makes me feel like I have more knowledge to do better by seeing how everything goes and like that. There's more knowledge to see that we could learn a lot more here, for knowing that people are how to make the world greener and so on, from how to be healthier. That's what I find it more responsible to see. And that's nice. A presentation about the fishes from the wildlife and like that. That the predators are going low, the fish going low, and so on. But from raising their own fishes and like that, I didn't know that they had that. But it was very nice to know.